Recent headlines are focused on the rising cost pressures businesses will face from April 2026 as major changes to the UK's network and policy landscape take effect. But there's another side to that story. The mechanism's designed to help eligible organisations offset some of those costs. In this video, we'll unpack the Energy Intensive Industries Exemption Scheme, who qualifies, what the benefits are and how it's evolving, before looking ahead to the government's proposed British Industrial Competitiveness Scheme, which aims to extend that support even further. If your organisation operates in an energy-intensive sector, understanding how these schemes work could directly influence your bottom line. The EII scheme is designed to help high electricity use businesses remain competitive in global markets by reducing or removing policy costs, such as the renewables obligation, contracts for difference, feed-in tariffs and capacity market charges. To enter, a business must operate in a qualifying energy-intensive sector, such as metals, glass, chemicals or ceramics, and electricity must account for at least 20% of its GVA. Approved sites receive an EII certificate, allowing suppliers to apply the exemptions directly to their bills. Participation in the scheme also enables clients to receive rebates for a proportion of their electricity network charges. This currently sits at 60%, but is likely to rise to 90% from next year. The application process and ongoing management of the scheme can be complex, but the associated savings can be significant. Looking further ahead, the government has announced the British Industrial Competitiveness Scheme, a new support programme expected to launch in 2027. The scheme could benefit more than 7,000 businesses with potential savings of up to £40 per megawatt hour through policy change exemptions and extended eligibility. While full details are still being finalised, the direction of policy is clear. The UK intends to maintain and strengthen support for energy-intensive manufacturers, helping safeguard industrial competitiveness in the face of rising energy costs. So, if your organisation does not currently qualify under the EII scheme, this forthcoming programme may open new opportunities to reduce costs in future years. Accessing these schemes and maximising their benefits requires detailed data, financial analysis and an understanding of evolving regulation. At Optimised, we manage that process end-to-end. We'll assess your eligibility, report on expected savings, ensure you're receiving all the associated benefits whilst keeping you compliant within the scheme rules. Electricity costs are increasing, but that doesn't mean every increase is unavoidable. Schemes like these are designed to relieve pressure on the UK's most energy-intensive sectors and protect their global competitiveness. By working with Optimised, you gain a partner who understands the technical, financial and regulatory detail and can turn it into tangible results for your organisation. If you'd like more information on these schemes or your potential eligibility, we'd love to hear from you.